So now let's talk about how the heart is pumped. The heart is pumped basically by electrical currents. Electrical currents are going to spark and it's going to tell the nerves on the heart muscles to start squeezing. So there is an electrical current that starts right here. This is called the SA node. Just kind of memorize it as this is the starting node, so it's the S starting node. So AKA this is the pacemaker. So this is the one that's going to be dictating how fast the heart is supposed to be pumping. So the SA node sends information down to the AV node, and it's right here. This is the AV node. The atrioventricular node is going to get the information. It's going to pause for 0.1 seconds. So AV node pauses for 0.1 seconds out of 0.8 seconds that takes the heart to do the lub-dub pumping. It pauses for 0.1 seconds because as soon as the AV node gets the information, and if as soon as it gets it, it sends it down to the next group of nerves, which is the bundle of His right here. This is called a bundle of His. The bundle of His is going to start spreading its electrical current all the way through the ventricles, and this is called the Purkinje fibers. And when the Purkinje fibers gets the electrical current information, the heart will start to squeeze. It will start squeezing here, like this, from bottom up. When it starts squeezing from bottom up, blood will start to rush out. So, in order to prevent backflow, what's going to happen is blood just entered the atrium, and blood is going to rush down to the ventricles. So the AV node pauses for 0.1 seconds, allowing for all the blood to go from the atrium down to the ventricle. Only when the blood has been deposited straight into the ventricle, the AV node will pass on its electrical current down to the bundle of His, and then the Purkinje fibers, and then the heart will start to pump.